Oh my god, guys, if you're watching this video right now, you're in luck because I have some insane news that has just been launched and released right now, guys. This is no joke. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button to show your support right now and to increase the XRP army. Subscribe to my channel to help support and to watch daily update and news about XRP. And also make sure you comment your thoughts on XRP down below. For today's video, we have some crazy news and I don't want to waste any time because this is crazy and you guys are going to be the first people to see it. We have Ripple appoints former U.S. Treasury to its board amid legal fights with the SEC. This is huge! And when I mean huge, this is just gigantic, guys. This is not even a joke. Blockchain startup Ripple says Tuesday that Rosie Rios, the 43rd Treasury of the U.S., would join its board of directors. Oh my god, again, this is huge. The SEC has charged Ripple and two of its executives with conducting an illegal security offering. And then again, we can keep going here. Ripple says Rosie, the 43rd Treasury of the office who served under President Barack Obama, would join its board of directors, while it has also hired Christina Campbell, previously an executive firm, fintech firm, Green Dot, and Pay Near Me, and its chief financial officer. You know what this means as well? You know what? People are not really talking about Christina Campbell, and I think I'm going to mention this here because she has worked for multiple payment companies, which means she's going to be a connection, and it's going to be a lot easier to, make, integrate, if that's the right word for it, integrate, XRP and Ripple into those payment systems with a connection and with somebody that has that much knowledge like Christina Campbell. And again, this is huge. Two major additions to the XRP, the Ripple Labs company. We also understand that the 43rd, I think that's what she was, the 43rd Treasury, which is, the former U.S. Treasury, is actually on the American dollar bill and $100 bill and bills in general, which is again huge. Rosie Rios has her signature on almost every single bill, if I'm correct, if not all of them. Again, this is just gigantic for XRP, and this is going to bring us into the second news here. So if we go all the way over here, digital dollar project to launch 5 U.S. central bank digital currency pilots. This is just gigantic, guys, because XRP is most likely based around banks, and so having U.S. central banks start to monetize and start digital dollar projects means that XRP is most likely, once they're done the SEC lawsuit, going to be able to enter into those industries easily and take them over, which is again something we are really excited for as the XRP army, and is again huge for impacting the price of XRP. So oh my god, guys, again, I'm just so excited. Next on the list, a poll was actually done to describe what investment is better right now, Doge or XRP. Now, obviously, if you guys didn't know, Dogecoin actually surpassed XRP in market cap. But with only 147 users, we actually found out that XRP is still being rated as a better hold. And again, this just shows you guys the market and how people are really viewing things. Everybody knows Dogecoin is a meme coin. Everybody knows Dogecoin is not something that's stable and is not something that's going to grow into the triple digits of the hundreds and the 4 digits. It's never going to reach a few $100 or a few $1,000. That's not going to ever happen for Dogecoin. Well, XRP, it is likely to happen. And obviously, you have somebody commenting right here, XRP, hodl, Doge, roller coaster. Again, this is really true. You never know when Dogecoin is going to crash. Well, XRP, you always know there is something backing it up. And if you guys notice right here, Ripple has sent 97.3 million XRP to major crypto players in the US and China. And again, this kind of proves that XRP and Ripple is actually becoming something legit. Companies, institutions, countries want Ripple now, guys. This is, again, huge news that is going to increase just massive attraction to XRP. And again, I'm so excited to see this. Elon Musk, again, this is talking about Dogecoin, but we are going into things that are more important. In the end, guys, we are going to be talking about, again, Ripple and why is it not going? Let's talk about that. Why is Ripple not, increasing? Well, you have to really understand a few, very important key aspects. Ripple follows Bitcoin patterns, and Bitcoin has been going down. So every single time Ripple tries to push up, we see, Bitcoin go down, and it kind of carries XRP down with it. But again, these are some crazy news that I definitely agree. We can actually have a look at these very important days that I definitely recommend everybody put on their calendar. The 3rd is obviously done right now. The next thing that's going to be coming out is on the 13th. We have 2 articles coming out on the 13th. Then we have an article coming out on the 14th, a reply on the 17th, and a release of transcripts next month. Yeah, or late next month. So again, it's going to be really interesting to see what happens, guys. We also found out that Discovery, hopefully, like, we should be able to go into, the end of the lawsuit if it isn't settled, hopefully in August. But again, guys, there is a possible settlement that could come into place. There is a SEC meeting, internal meeting, that is not open to public. It's a private meeting. And that is actually on the 6th of May. So again, they also mentioned that they're going to be talking about settlements. So this is very positive for XRP. We also have this very important news here, which says, under the shadow of the SEC, David Schwartz has been tinkering with Ripple's payment tools. And again, this kind of proves that, Ripple is very comfortable and knows its stance in the lawsuit. They know they haven't done anything wrong. They know that they're hopefully going to win the lawsuit. So you know what? They're not just focusing on the lawsuit. They're focusing on long term, how they can increase their price right away once they're done with the lawsuit. Again, this is very good for Ripple holders, and this proves that Ripple is going to be here for the long term, and us Ripple holders are going to make some really good money. So if you're not in it yet, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I definitely recommend you guys go do your research, and then you decide on whether you'd like to be in it or not, because this is definitely something that you will miss out on. It is a train you will miss out on if you don't really do your research. You don't want to be the guy that regrets it after it's already pumping. So do your research, so that way in whichever decision you make, you are comfortable and you are not sad if it pumps, because you know you did the right decision, okay? You're not going to be sad if it pumps, you're not going to be sad if it dumps. You really have to make a decision that, doesn't make you feel bad, whichever way it goes. And again, I am personally invested in XRP because I definitely believe it is the future of technology. The technology Ripple has is just unlike anything else. It does not compete with anything else. It owns its industry, guys, and the only thing that's carrying it down is the Ripple lawsuit. So once we see settled and resolved, we're going to see the price fly, and I wouldn't be surprised if it outbeats Binance within the first 2 years. So again, guys, this is really, really important news, and you guys are the first people that are going to see it. You guys can help support the XRP army by making sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. Comment your thoughts on Ripple. When do you see it hitting the $100 range? And obviously subscribe to my channel once again, and we'll go over this. As you guys can see, XRP lawsuit update. Ripple execs oppose SEC's motion for enlargement, citing impropriety. So you got a lot of other news that has come out, but I'm just focusing on the most important news that has just been released. Again, it is the latest news, guys, and this is coming from the Ripple XRP management team. So again, very, very interesting, guys, and I definitely recommend you guys go ahead and drop a follow on them as well, because they definitely actually go ahead and provide some really, really good news. And let's actually like this right here. But again, definitely really interesting, guys. We also have multiple other videos prepared for you guys. So nonetheless, again, I hope you guys did enjoy this XRP video, and Crypto Geek out.